Yes.
Feeling ko, may isang pwede makipag-battle sa'yo when it comes to runs as well. Because we've got this kid na talaga nag-uumapaw ang talent. Alright, on that note, let's call in one of the finalists of The Voice Kids, Darren Espanto!
Sampol!
Darren!
How are you?
Sampol!
Are you gonna be
Ariana
doing a
Grande.
performance later? Wala.
Darren,
kayo.
please, isa lang.
Say hi to your
Ariana
fans
Grande,
first.
Ano po nga yan?
Please say hi to all of your
Problem,
fans.
may mataas, please.
Hello po mga Daranatics.
Yon, Darinatics.
Oh, go please, Darren. Please, parang nagmamakaw ako sa'yo.
Sige po.
Go.
Para kay ate, kasi siya yung AG from the East.
Yes, totoo yan. Ikaw si
ang laki na pinag-
GE
improvement
from
ito.
The Voice. Okay, go.
Head in the clouds, got my way on the shoulders. I should be wiser and realize that I got.
Oh, coming from Silonga.
Pinakita si Coach! Go na yun.
Thank you po, Coach
Sabi niya,
Leia.
show
Bang,
niya.
bang, audience
Bang, bang
natin.
naman!
Bata, ang galing mo.
Oh, okay ba?
Ginawang karaoke.
Wait lang, wait. Guys. Pag kumanta si Darren, quiet tayo para marinig natin siya. Okay. Okay, go. Bang, 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 bang.
Ano po? Bang, bang. Okay.
Yung
bang, bang.
pinakamataas na, B to the A, to the N, to the G, to the B.
Sige po.
B to the A.
Say anybody come and God to you. You need a bag and a play on mine.
Napapagod ka ba, bata? Ha? Napakagaling
ka
mo.
na.
Alright, since yesterday may debate
More,
kami
more.
dito.
Sino gusto niyo? Anong gusto niyo? Halika,
Wait.
malatin natin yung bata para
Oo,
pag lang
para.
mawala. Break
Oo,
free,
wala.
break free. Kaya mo yan. Malatin natin.
Kanta ka na.
Mamamalat to, mawawala
Oo,
si
para
Karin.
mamaya.
Sama. Go.
Ba't puro mababa naman ho yung nire-request?
Okay.
Let's go!
Ito, mas mataas. Unbreak My Heart by Tony Brown. O, go.
Ano po? Break
daw,
free?
Break
Alex.
free. Sige, go. Kantayin mo na.
Sabihin niyo po ako.
Oh, yun! Since may concert ka, di ba?
Inaantay
Ay,
ko.
okay, sige, go. Break free, come on. AG from the East End. Palapakan natin, Darren Espanto!
Pagkatapos mo ng bridge.
Ano ba
Dun sa...
Ano gagawin natin?
Ikaw pa yung naghamon, di mo rin alam pala yun.
Love fell in your body, I came alive. It was fair, my dreams were felt so right. But I woke up every time. Oh, baby!
Umaban! Mga kapamilya, you are watching the final showdown. It's not a battle.
Bumpane!
Oh,
Eddie Wow!
oh, Eddie Wow ka daw.
Ang
Eddie Wow.
galing ni Darren.
Palapakan po natin once again, Darren Espanto.
Salamat
Thank you so
po.
much for being game here on the show. Pero yun nga, should we continue the game? Kasi yesterday, we've got the running man with 11 yung runs niya, di ba? 11 yung runs na
11
ginawa.
ba yung, ano ba yung dance?
Iba-iba. Later on, we'll discuss what runs are, plus we're gonna have that game together with that in Spanish. So kabalik ng The Voice of the Philippines, the final showdown. Don't go away.